busy because I just got out the shower. Yep. But we have our couch delivery coming, and Rhodes is in for a rude awakening because he will no longer be allowed on the couch. So this is his last hurrah right here. Right, Rhodesies? Yeah. So we're going to be pulling these out because after 30 months, all right, good boy, 30 months of being on the road, unfortunately, our couches are starting to peel. So I don't know if that's happening to some of you, but we're excited because thanks to Lippert, we're going to be bringing in the new Thomas Payne, the Seismic, and I'm going to have a few more specs for you once they come in and I can read over the brochure, how do you say it? Brochure. And we are excited because these are going to have massage, cup holders, and heat. What? So when it's cold, like right now in Florida, yeah, we have a major cold wave coming in, cold front. We are going to be able to take advantage of that. So we're going to pull these out, clean underneath because, you know, hashtag kids. And I hope you guys enjoy these new couches with us.
So in my living room, I didn't know I had Chiquita Banana on the job, and she's getting down. She's throwing down hard here. She's a pretty good cleaner. Pretty good.
Hey, when you get out of the shower and you know your couches are getting delivered, you just don't tell anyone.
Here you can see cracks on the leather that we didn't even
Oh yeah, you can't see them inside.
Yeah, that thing was about to seriously fall apart.
Yeah, this was like perfect time.
Look at those cracks in there. We didn't even see that.
Sakara. Alright, He-Man Lou.
Here it is. Ooh.
Pretty.
Rosie, guess what? Rosie.
No more couches.
No more city for you, my G.
It's like, what you mean? What language you talking, Pops?
So one thing I really like about these couches is that they're so simple to put together. So I'm glad they come in 2 pieces because you know these doors aren't very big or wide. So it's definitely not going to get the box through the door. Now we just line these bad boys up.
Oh, I need light.
It should slide. Boom!
Hold on.
All you got to do is plug them in down here.
Oh, look how nice and clean these are.
Clip.
Rhodes, get out the way. Rhodes!
Clip. Clip, clip. Down.
You like them?
The other thing you gotta do is plug it in here. Let's see here. So you plug this in like this, and then you lock it into place. Boom. That way it doesn't come out. Wait a minute, this one has massage.
And heat tonight when it's cold. Oh,
and heat.
For a cold front in Florida, our 40-degree cold front.
Oh, this is so awesome.
All right, Jules, stop.
Look at this. What? And they got the light under here. Look, you got a light under here. What? So, we got in the left side and the right side. We're waiting for the middle. It should be here sometime this week or whenever it comes in. But we are very excited with the Thomas Payne. They are so comfortable, guys. Like, holy smokes. I don't remember ever our last couches being this comfortable. They have a lot of cushion in the middle of them. And they have vibrator. Excuse me. They have a massager. They have heat in the seats. They got these cool lights which light up the bottom as well. Look at that. Whoa, that looks so cool. Doesn't that look cool? Whoa. Yes. That looks very cool. And it has an open and close. Now this is the coolest thing because our last ones, they were basically analog. You know, you had to pull the lever on the side and they popped open. These are super 2019. They brought them in the 21st century here, and it even has heat. Yes, you heard me. You heard me right. It has heat in the seats. Now, last night it got about 40 degrees here in Florida, and I'm a Floridian, so that's like really close to me. And we would have definitely loved these seats last night. So get cold, because I want to break in my seats. But yeah, guys, we're super happy. Yeah. We can't wait to get to the other piece, so all the fam could hang out and watch a movie, eat some popcorn, right, Jules?
No popcorn on the new couches.
No popcorn on the new couches.
Oh my God, they're so pretty. Don't mind me, I'm still doing my hair. This is me in all of Sandra. Man, these are comfy. Half of them.
This is real life, guys. Real RV living.
But so far, it's been 3 weeks, and we are loving them. So you have the option. They come in 3 different colors. We personally chose Majestic Chocolate, but you could check out the other ones. And of course, these are on Lippert's website. These are the Thomas Payne couches. And what we chose personally was the left recliner, the right recliner, and the armless console. But you have the option of choosing whatever you want that fits for what you needed. And if you choose the armless one like us, that one is 23 inches. And if you go with not the armless recliner, but just the middle center console, that one's only 8 inches. So you kind of have to play with whatever fits in your space. We chose these because we are a family of 4, and when we want to sit together, we do fit in all 3 of these, so it works out perfect. And the other thing that we also love is that these have a massage option, they have a heat option, and when we got them delivered, we had a cold front coming in, so it was perfect. We would put on the massage, put on the heat, and it is awesome. Also, we love the LED lighting on them. I think that is super cool. They have cup holders. And then this was a special surprise. We did not know that the middle armless console came down like this, and then it has cup holders, and it has USB charger. It has 2 USB chargers and a regular outlet on it. Like, we were like, oh, bonus. So, and it's just as comfortable. They all recline up, and we just love them. So make sure you check them out. They have a 1-year warranty, so that's another great thing. And you know, Lippert has such great customer service, so they get 2 thumbs up, as Julian says, for that, because literally any questions that you have, you can, and everybody that I've spoken to has said the same thing. They've had the same experience with great customer service. So check them out. I hope you enjoy them. You can kind of check them out as we put them together, bring them in. We had 2 different shipments come in for us, and we're loving them. We are so thankful. So thank you, Lippert, and come check out our couches with us.